Om Shakti Om Shakti Om 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 Om.
During one of our Pada Puja visitations to Melmarvatur, Amma once told my husband and me, "Do dharma and lessen your karma." This immediately made me go back to the Bible that also quotes from the Corinthians. Each of you should give what you have decided in your heart to give, not reluctantly or under compulsion, for God loves a cheerful giver. Zakat in the Quran refers to a Muslim giving part of their earnings to charity. Helping one another is also seen as helping Allah. Our beloved Amma, who gives no importance to caste, creed, color, or religion, is always stressing on people to do dharma or charity and in generously helping the needy. Om Shakti.
பாலிலும் புளிப்பு உண்டு, மோரிலும் புளிப்பு உண்டு. மோர் கலந்த பால் தயிராகத் திரியும். பால் தயிராக மாறும். தயிர் பாலாக மாறுவது இல்லை. அதுபோல ஆன்ம பரிபக்குவம் ஏற்பட்டவன் மீண்டும் திரிவதில்லை. பால், மோர், எலுமிச்சை மூன்றிலும் புளிப்பு உண்டு. ஆயினும் ஒவ்வொன்றின் சுவையும் வேறுபாடு உடையதாகும். அதுபோல ஆன்மீக பரிபக்குவம் பெற்றவர்களிடத்திலும் வேறுபாடு உண்டு.
Milk is acidic, so is buttermilk. But buttermilk turns the milk to yogurt. It is the milk that curdles, not the other way around. Likewise, a spiritually seasoned person never goes astray. Milk, buttermilk, and lime are all sour, but their tastes differ. Similarly, spiritually seasoned people also differ from each other.
One evolves through various stages to attain spiritual maturity or realization. An evolved person cannot tread back to becoming ignorant. Even people who are spiritually evolved are distinct and different in their own ways. Om Shakti.
Om Shakti. Guruvadi Saranam, Tiruvadi Saranam. Amma attracts millions of people into her fold and showers her mercy upon all of them, relieving them of their karma. She always insists upon her followers to bear the expenses of poor people, help them to wear Sakti Malai, to offer Irumudi and bring them here. It will benefit both sides. This is a true incident that happened a few years ago. Devotee Sakti Balasubramanian from Tirupur sponsored 20 poor people to wear Sakti Malai and offer Irumudi in Melmarvatur temple. While they were returning home from the temple, this frightful and astounding incident happened. There is a notorious place called Valipalaya Pallam between Tirupur and Palladam. This place was known for the frequent occurrence of robberies. No one would dare to travel in that area past 9 p.m. Their bus was traveling towards Valipalaya Pallam. As a truck was crossing Valipalaya Pallam, around 10 robbers surrounded the truck. With weapons like knives, swords, and logs, they started threatening the driver and others around him. Just then, the headlights from the bus carrying the lady devotees that was following behind illuminated this truck. The robbers who surrounded the truck now surrounded the bus too. They forced the bus to stop and quickly rushed into the bus. The women Saktis immediately asked them, "Who are you all? What do you want?" We do not know what exactly went through the robbers' minds, but they replied, "We do not want anything from you at all. Many thefts are occurring ahead in your route. Please take care and travel safely." Saying this, they got out of the bus without robbing anyone at all. The women, who had been terrified of these robbers and their menacing weapons, were truly relieved and left that place immediately. After a few days, we told Amma about the incident. Why did the robbers change their minds and leave them without any harm? Amma cleared the mystery for them, revealing the truth. The robbers entered the bus to rob the passengers on the bus. They did not know that everyone on that bus would be wearing the Sakti Malai. Do you know what Amma had done? Amma had made every Sakti Malai worn by the women on the bus to appear as a snake to the robbers' eyes. The face of every woman had also taken the form of Adi Parashakti's face. The bright light had been coming out from the women's eyes. The robbers had been so frightened by these appearances of the women that they had abandoned their intentions of robbing them. They were so scared that they didn't know what else to say and said whatever occurred to their minds and got down from the bus in a hurry, said Amma, elaborating further. A few devotees on the bus had been chanting Amma's mantras while traveling. A few others had been singing songs in praise of Amma. Others had been in deep thoughts about Amma's benevolence and mercy. Due to such deep faith during their travels, Amma had bestowed her grace upon them as soon as they were in trouble and had kept them safe from all harm. The Sakti Malai is sacred and powerful. Those who undergo fasting while wearing the Sakti Malai should do so religiously with utmost devotion and concentration. While on your Irumudi pilgrimage, please avoid all casual chat or political or movie-related discussions. It is best to listen to and chant only Amma's prayer mantras or songs that praise Amma during travel. If this is done, Amma will come with us as our companion throughout the journey and shield us from any dangers we may face. The source of this narration is Sakti Oli. Om Sakti.
We may not be able to prepare the future for our children, but we can at least prepare our children for the future. Quoted by Franklin D. Roosevelt. Dear Shaktis, on the occasion of Amma's birthday on March 3rd, 2021, we would like to invite all our young viewers between the age of 2 to 22 to share their love for Amma by making a 15 to 30-second video. You can sing, chant, or just send a personal birthday wish to our beloved Amma and email it to us on bangaruammaglobal@gmail.com. We anxiously look forward to your videos that will be shown on our Bangaru Amma Global YouTube channel. Thank you and Om Shakti.
Please like, share, and subscribe to the Bangaru Amma Global YouTube channel for more inspiring and uplifting videos like this one.